How can I help you become healthier? There are 3 different ways that I can help you become healthier. The first is by thoroughly assessing your health concerns. One of my most important values in all of medicine is the art of being thorough. It's very important for me to understand every little bit of information that's going to help connect the dots to understand what's happening with your health. The second way that I can help is by getting to know you as a person. The way that you experience life, the way that you perceive stress, these all have serious impacts on your health. But not only understanding you as a person, also understanding your health goals and exactly where you want to go so I can help you get there. The third way that I can help you become healthier is by giving you treatment options. There is not a one-size-fits-all approach for health. So each individual will have a slightly different path to wellness, and this is important to understand. Lay out the options so that we can choose the one that best suits you. There are 3 ways that I can work with your medical doctor. The first is by participating in your diagnosis. I will conduct a complete physical exam, as well as recommend any laboratory studies that may be required. I will also review any lab results or imaging studies that you might have available, including physician's reports. Then I'll share with you what my perspective is on your diagnosis. The second way I can work with your medical doctor is by communicating with your medical doctor and any other healthcare providers when it's relevant. Naturopathic doctors are highly trained in avoiding drug and herb interactions. However, there might be other times where it's important to communicate to get you the best care possible. The third way that I can work with your medical doctor is by referring you back to your medical doctor when it's important so that every aspect of care that you require is getting taken care of. Our focus in the medical community is collaboration and integration so that you can meet your health goals. I differ from other healthcare providers because I offer a new, fresh perspective on health, because I look at short and long-term health, and I also offer multiple treatment options. When it comes to a new perspective on health, I consider people from a whole person point of view. Of course, your physical health matters, no question about it. However, so does your mental and emotional well-being. This is all taken into account when I assess you. When it comes to health, we don't only want to look at short-term health and band-aid solutions. Those are a thing of the past. We want to consider getting you well in the short term while also working on the long-term goals as well. In addition to that, not only am I a naturopathic doctor, but I'm also a registered acupuncturist. This means that I offer acupuncture, nutritional therapies, lifestyle counseling, hands-on therapies, herbal medicine, and more. These can be used separately or they can be used together. It really just depends on what your preferences are, what your health goals are, and where you want to go with your health. Are naturopathic medicine and acupuncture cost-effective? The short answer is yes. Many of us have health benefits lying around that we're not even using, so put these benefits to use. Call your insurance provider and ask if you have naturopathic medicine benefits, and also if you have separate acupuncture benefits that can be used as well. There's a saying that goes, make time for health now, or make time for illness later. And how true is this? Naturopathic medicine and acupuncture both focus on prevention. Yes, of course, we can treat illnesses. However, it's part of the bigger picture for every individual that we focus on preventing these illnesses to begin with. There was a 2013 study published in the Canadian Medical Association Journal, a peer-reviewed journal. Participants were at risk of cardiovascular disease. The study showed that when you use naturopathic medicine in addition to conventional medicine, then you can reduce prescription medication use. You can also reduce missed days of work, reduce hospital visits, and improve overall health. So naturopathic medicine and acupuncture can potentially save you time, money, and pain. I can help someone you know by applying my medical expertise to their case in the same way that I have with yours. One thing that's really important to know is that confidentiality is taken very seriously in my office. While you're more than welcome to go share the treatments that you're doing and the really exciting changes that are happening in your health, that information will never come from me. Something that's super great about when you're on a similar path to someone else is the momentum that it creates. It's so much easier to get healthier when you're working together with other people and you have that extra support and encouragement. So together, let's get that momentum going in our community. Let's get everyone thriving on health and wellness.